Hello, Mr Tumble.
Hey, hello.
What are you doing?
Aha! Well, I'm building a train track. Woohoo! Or should I say, woo-hoo! All aboard, and off we go.
Clearing up after everyone.
Hello, Grandad Tumble.
Hey, who said that? What did you Hey. Oh, hello.
What are you doing?
Well, I've been tidying up, haven't I? I mean, somebody left all of this train track near my shed, really. I mean, honestly, what's going... Hang on a minute, look, there's more here. Oh, I don't know, I've got better things to do with my day than clearing up all of this train track, really.
But Grandad Tumble...
Oh, I don't know. Oh, I have to go and clear up... Oh, look! More track. Oh, really?
But Grandad Tumble, that's Mr Tumble.
Look, I must get on. I mean, Aunt Polly, she won't like all this mess, you know.
What are you doing, Mr Tumble?
Shh.
What are you doing in our Tumble study, Mr Tumble?
I'm building my train track. Yep, I've got some over here. And I've got some over here. Choo-choo.
Right, I'll try to put this today. More train track. Oh,
Hello, Grandad Tumble.
who said that? Oh, shh. Hello.
That's Mr Tumble's train track.
I'm sorry, I can't stop. I have to tidy up this train track before Lord Tumble wakes up.
Ta-da! My train track is finished. Now I can go on the whole journey. Grandad Tumble, where's my train track?
I've been tidying it up. But don't worry, we can be trains together. Choo-choo! All aboard!
Hello, and thank you for watching. Keep watching my channel because there are new things to see every Wednesday and Saturday. Woohoo!